Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. Students and teachers can use Google Forms to make surveys and quizzes, as well as other forms or registration sheets for data collection. In Google Drive, select New, More, Google Forms. You can begin to title the form by changing the untitled field. You can also keep the same name for the survey form. Simply place the cursor over that title and then add additional information. You can also add a description. To begin to add the questions to the Google form, place the cursor over untitled question. Then begin to type the first question. Select between question types. Select drop-down, short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop-down, and feel free to explore the other options. In this example, I will select multiple choice. Google will also provide suggestions to add to the possible answers. Select Add All, Yes, No, Maybe. Add All. If you decide to remove some of these options, hover your mouse over the X to remove.